Hi, this is Jared with Black Rock Underground. Today's date is December 9th, 2025. Doing a post-sanitary sewer inspection at the property address of 1110 Southwest 2nd Street in Milwaukee, Oregon. Going to be entering the existing 4-inch cast iron clean out at the side of the home. Here's the clean out. Here's the side of the home. There's the front driveway. It's on the left-hand side corner of the driveway. As I get down to the bottom of the clean out, I'll zero the foot counter. I currently have water running through a hose. Here we are in their existing cast iron. At this point, this is the start of a repair. This is 4-inch ABS. At this point, we transition to 4-inch HDPE. Then here we are at the edge of a repair. This is transitioned back into their existing 4-inch concrete at the edge of right-of-way. Now I'm going to continue down to the main. Here we are at the main. I'm going to pause the video, let the water drain, then we'll pull back. Now that I let the water drain, I'll start pulling back. Here we are in their existing 4-inch lateral. This is the end of a repair. This is 4-inch HDPE. Now I'm going to continue back to the clean out at the side of the home. Here's the transition back into 4-inch ABS. And then here we are at the start of a repair. This is transition into their existing cast iron, coming back out the clean out at the edge of property, or at the edge of the home, the house. This inspection was done with a rigid push cam with a 1-inch lens and no skids. Everything's in working order. This will conclude my video. Thank you.